I'm Oliver.
I'm Andrea.
And we're with Wendy. We're with the Physical AI Company.
And we're here today to try out our industrial Wendy Box, specifically for a fire watch, to augment any crew when they're doing work in the field, to help be a set of eyes to watch if there's fire after doing hot work.
We brought the Wendy Box into the Crucible to train it on real fire. Blowtorches, open flames, welding sparks, hot metal, the messy, dangerous stuff you can actually see in industrial environments. Inside the Wendy Box is an NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano running WendyOS, built to train and deploy AI models at the edge. The goal is to teach AI that orange means danger. That creates false alarms. We label the difference between sparks, welding, controlled flames, and real fire so that the model learns what's actually happening. Then that intelligence runs directly on the box, wherever the work is happening.